And I was muted the whole time. Alright, so yeah, the 15-minute range set, and then we do have news. We had news at 8:45, and we have news at 9:30. But it's not red folder, so I'm not really worried about it. Oh yeah, so let's take some good trades today, guys. I do have to go at 10:30. So, let's get some. I'm trying to stick to my rules. Probably like 2 trades per account, so that's about 6 trades. But if it's some good winning trades, I can call it early. Oh, it dumped all the way down now to the bottom of the 15-minute range. So, I mean, it is the day before a holiday, before Thanksgiving. So, got to be a little more careful here. It might be ranging all day. I'm not going to lie. It might range all day. So, I don't want to go for... I don't want to be greedy. Just be a little careful. Okay. You're buying it up at the bottom of the range again. So let's see if this turns out to be like a range day, because then we just trade the range. If I need to break out of here before I even try to look for a trade. Yesterday we took a big loss on one of my PAs, which is the one that was like about $500 in profit. So I just lost like 2 weeks worth of profits, almost 2 weeks in one day. So yeah, look, it's trying to break out of this range here. Oh, look at it. That's that dump right there. Let's see if it makes a little let's see what happens if it does close below this range. I mean, it is the holidays about to come, so the holiday is tomorrow. So people are probably like, pulling out before the holidays, buying presents, buying gifts, New Year's, Christmas, Thanksgiving coming up. Everybody's selling out of stocks to buy weed and crack. Go on vacation, I don't know. But just be careful today. It's going to be kind of choppy, I think. Okay, there's that. It closed below the 15-minute range. So now I'm just looking for a retracement to enter short here if it's gonna be a real move to the downside. I don't know why my charts are so zoomed in. Look at the 30. We're at the bottom of this kind of area here. You see how price every time it comes down here to the pivot point resistance, it pops up, right? So let's see if it pops this or it breaks through it clean. If you look at this 30-minute, that's a very bearish signal, right? We do have a little wick up, but it's still very bearish. So that's looking good to be a bear at this moment, short term. Also the hour, look at the hour. So let's see what they do here. Price right now getting a little bounce. Nvidia is also bouncing. ES trying to bounce also. Still stuck under the EMAs, which is a bearish sign. Bearish. Nvidia now under 180, it's 179. Let's see if it comes down anymore. Market will follow if that does happen. Usually, because Nvidia carries it's like 14% of the Nasdaq or some crazy stuff. Okay, we're getting a retracement, and if this holds and rejects shorts is in play. Shorts is in play. Just waiting for my setup here. You see how I didn't take these? I should have. I mean, this is a good setup here, but the risk was way too much for me. It would have worked. Very strong momentum back up. EMA's crossed right here on the 2-minute. Keep that in mind. If it crosses on the 5, way more conviction, right? If it crosses on the 5, then that will give me conviction to go short. There's the little rejection. It's getting a little rejection here at the EMAs. Good sign. ES is also kind of reacting there at that level. I actually want to wait. Nvidia's the ES rejecting strong. Let's just wait for this 5 minute to close here.
Order filled.
There you go. I'm gonna enter here actually. Put a little short back down. Maybe get like a negative reward to risk ratio on this. because I don't want it to bounce here. Maybe get like 10 points. Get 10 points here.
Order canceled.
Ah, I missed the 10 points. I don't want to bank on it making a lower low. Cause like I said, very, very, very choppy day. Dang. But I should have. Unless it gives me a very clean setup, like on this 5. Ugh.
Order
I'm
filled.
re-enter actually. I'm re-enter for a and this time I'm gonna hold it. Re-enter for a short down here. See if we get it. And I'll probably just risk the top of this range. So let's just see here. It's looking like it wants to go back up and stop me out. Yes, trying to push up too. This is not looking good. It's all right. Keep it. Just play your strategy and don't panic. Just I might add if we get a good close on some candles here. Let's see. Might come and stop me out actually. Oh, that's tough. That's 83 bucks. Come on. Right back in that range. Right back in the bottom of this 15-minute range.
Stop filled.
Stopped out. One loser. So let's switch accounts here. Rotate accounts so you don't take that much of a loss here. But yes, keep rotating them accounts. Right back up. So annoying. Oh gosh. Okay, all the way back up. It doesn't look like they want to bring it any lower. It bounced again here. I don't know why I shorted, right? I said it was gonna bounce and I still shorted it. So that's how you know I still got work to do, right? So always be humble. Always be humble. Here we go. At the top, and again, if this gives me a it doesn't look like it. It looks like it wants to go back up. Really?
Order filled.
Give me this right here. One-on-one trade. Come on. that bullish momentum. I mean, let's see here.
Order
I'm gonna
canceled.
exit there for 5 points because Nvidia is not playing along, right? I'll just wait for this 5 minute to close. I mean, this 2 minute to close. Oh, dude. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Very tough. Very tough. It's getting wicked up again. See, that was what I was afraid of. That's why I took the 5. Let's see. They're pushing it here. They're pushing it. It is pushing it. I'm gonna wait till it gets down to this resistance level one more time if it does give us that. But we're getting a wick back up. If it comes down here and doesn't make a lower low and gets rejected, I'll probably take a long at that point. ES is kind of holding at that area.
Order filled.
Yeah. I'm gonna enter for a short here. I mean a long here to go back up. Enter for a long here. I mean, I kind of have confidence that it'll go up, but okay, let's wait for this. Just be careful. Just be careful. I'm just looking at the ES chart right now. The ES is just keeps on getting bought up. Nvidia kind of going back down. ES bouncing back up here. It's going, trying to. Let's see if it makes these higher highs. Let's see if it goes higher. Looking for these higher highs. I'm moving my stop to here. If it breaks that, I don't want to be in it. Honestly.
Stop filled.
It's alright. That's alright. Still looks like it wants to bounce. I'm not gonna lie.
Order filled.
Did it fake me out again? Let's see. Let's look at this 5 here. These are some. I don't know why. I gotta chill. Basically, I gotta chill. This trade not looking good either.
Stop filled.
Hmm. I mean, they are. Hmm. Look at that rejection, though. Let's see if it rejects again. Oof. Ain't no way it stopped me out and it's going higher now. I think my stops are too tight. God, this price action wants me. I wanna just. Gotta chill, gotta chill. I gotta chill, gotta chill. There's a rejection again. There's another rejection. Let's see here. Very choppy price action, man. Very, very choppy. Very, very choppy. Nvidia. We're getting a bounce. Yeah, I have no idea what to do here. It's just chopping up right here. This is crazy. I mean, there's a nice rejection.
Order filled.
That's a really nice rejection. I don't. I'm very. One more short here. That's a very. I'm risking a very big risk. I have a very big risk here. I mean, let's just see, man. It looks like it wants to collapse because it's the 5-minute EMA is about to cross and it keeps on getting rejected here, right? So, I mean, my setup is there. It just doesn't want to drop it right now, you know? Let's drop it. Come on. It looks like a big old bear flag trying to play out here. I'm just not getting that drop. It needs to break this line. Let's see here. Put the trade on and wait, right? I see a lot of downside here in this trade, so I'm gonna hold it. It keeps on rejecting at the EMAs, and it just crossed. The EMA just crossed. So I'm holding this. holding this to the break. It's getting rejected. This is good. This is very good. This is the price action I want. I might add into this. No, I'm not adding because it's very choppy price action. I'm doing dumb stuff. I just gotta leave it on here. If this closes below, I might move my risk maybe above this candle. Come on, give me a strong close. Strong bearish close. There's the rejection. Go for the lows here. Oh, and it's getting bought right back up. That's so annoying. Not cool. I mean, it's trying to go. Let's see if we can get a flush. This is a flush down here to take out all these lows. Just observe. Just observe here. There's the 6 points. Come on, bears. Have some backbone. Get some follow through. Bring it down here. Come on. Nice, nice. Give you a close down here. Nice. Okay. Let's see how it closes. Come on. It doesn't want to drop. Come on, take out this 25 135. Take me out. The bear flag kind of playing out. Nvidia dumping a little bit. 13 points now. I will move my stop lower. There's the little dump. There's the dump. I might just trail this here for a longer. Buying it right back up. Oh, that's so. I might take this off here. See if it runs the low one more time.
Order canceled.
I am out of that trade because they just kept trying to yoke it back up. I just can't. I can't. We get no follow through. We getting no follow through, dude. Look at this. Didn't make a lower low, so it's a tough one. It's a tough one today, guys. So this looks like longs, man. They don't want to. They don't want this to drop. The only way I'm getting short here is if this range breaks. Look at that candle back up. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous, man. Ridiculous. Okay, now we know it's a range day, so I'm not gonna play the freaking thing no more. We just gonna play the range here. Look at this range. Let's look at the range. Look at this shit. 15. Boom. Look at this range. Big old range. So getting shorted back down again. Let's see. I thought after the consolidation yesterday, it'll be kind of a better price action today, but I guess not because it's day before Thanksgiving. People are just selling, buying, indecisive, hectic market today. See if it gives me another sweep of the highs. I'm gonna take a short. Here we go. Nvidia is kind of selling off. ES getting a wick, getting a little reaction up there, right? So 10 seconds. 10 seconds, 10 seconds.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take one. Take a short. Let's take a short back down here. Short this back down here. I probably add. I'll probably add here. If you get a pop up and a sweep of these candles, and then a rejection, Might add here. I mean, we're above the EMAs. Okay, they're just selling every pop, so I mean, there's no reason to not hold this. Nvidia kind of selling off.
Order filled.
I'm adding there, adding one. Adding one. I'll add on the way down here. Not good, not good. It's going back up. Looks like it might sweep us. Come back down. There it is. I mean, they're trying to. Come on. It's trying. It's trying. It's trying. It's trying. It's trying. Let's see if they drop it one more time. Let's drop it here. Drop it. Give me like. I don't want to take it down here. I want to take it before it drops. It comes down there. If it does come, but it looks like it wants to come down for one more time. Like it trade its range here. They're trying to short it back down. But Nvidia is going back up for some reason here. ES is also pumping. This is so bad here. Nvidia is pumping here. Oh. Close. That was a dumb short.
Stop filled.
Wow, dude. Rough trade, rough day for me, dude. Rough day. Tough day. We're above the EMAs, so I don't think I want to go long anymore, but this is... Might be a short here. Dude, this is. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. I feel like we have a little rejection here. But we can't go off of feelings, dude. So. Dang, this is tough. There's a little pop. I might go for a little long here.
Order filled.
I will, actually. I will go for a little long. Maybe, hopefully we get, a little pop up here. I'm gonna risk bottom of this bar. See, we get a pop up. To the 270 levels. ES is going up here. It just kind of rejected from that 2-minute EMA here. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. This 5-minute is pumping. I'll take it a little below there, actually. Come on. Trail this up a little bit. 10 points. Keep going here. Nvidia trying to trying to pump up back up here. I don't know. The 5 minute looks real strong for a little more of a push. So, I mean, I'm holding this here for a push up. Come on. I just need about, we were like 8 points in the money. If they yoke this back down, I'm gonna be mad here. Oh my god. I should have known.
Stop filled.
We was taking all L's today, huh? It's getting rejected here. It is price action. Look like it's building out a bull flag here. Get that rejection. If this goes a little lower, this is the range. If it goes down to the bottom, I need price to go to the bottom of this range for me to even want to take a long, dude. Waiting for that 5 minute. Let's see that 5 minute. keeps getting rejected. But I mean, I still don't want to enter yet. We're right back down to the range. Look at his 4 hour chart, just straight chop. Oh my gosh. The range right here, right? If we get down here, 25 150s. Take that long back up. Cause it's the range day. I'm gonna enter on the range, man. I keep saying that, but I enter on some dumbass stuff, right? Like my strategy is for trend days, and range days like this are always mess with my head, man. So it's a nice little setup for me. Still don't trust it here. Playing the range, like I said, if I enter here and it goes up, comes back down towards the bottom of this range, I'm gonna be mad. So I'm gonna wait. Right here is a little chop area, cause once it hits EMA like this, it could either go up or down. So just be careful. Trying to chill. Nvidia kind of selling back down here. Dude, that's crazy. Still trying to dump it. Yeah, like I said, playing the range. If it was a trend day, I would have bought that. 100% would have bought that. I might long it here. All this freaking. This is a nice setup, dude, but. Let's just wait for a little bit more of a. It probably will wick this down a little bit before getting up here. Oh, there's a little rejection down there.
Order
Might
filled.
enter, yep, I'm entering for a long. See if we can pop this high here. I'm only gonna risk the bottom of this bar. We're just struggling. We're struggling. It's not even. It's not a clean move, dude. We're just struggling. Little pop. Come on now.
Order
I'm
canceled.
gonna exit there because dude, it's just struggling. I don't want to trade this for a lot for longer than that. It's struggling, dude. So if this comes back down, I'm gonna buy that back up. Chop as day. I don't want to make on a break of anything actually. Look, they're trying to bring this back down again. If it comes down here and gets a little reaction, possibility for another long setup. 5 minute. We're still in this 15-minute range. It's so uh look, see how it didn't break out, dude. I would have lost that trade again. I just can't bank on breaking out of anything today. They just have no conviction, no follow through. Neither side. Neither side. But it looks like it's about to break this. There it is. There's the break. This 5 minute chart is good. There's the push. Oh my god. Aiming good. Bro, the ES looks so clean. Look at this ES. I mean, we're breaking out. We're breaking out, but I don't trust this. Oh my god. We're pumping again. If this 5 minute can close outside of this range. Could be going back up. But no, look, it's rejecting. It's rejecting right at the range, at the highs. So what do? We wait. Oh my gosh, bro. Damn. Is this really a breakout? Or is it gonna, it's just trapping bulls here to go all the way back down? NQ loves to do that. Yeah, we're pumping, guys. We're pumping here. To the 10. Bullish 10 minute. Look at that freaking 10-minute candle, dude. 15 also. But the 1 hour just opened. So I will not be surprised if they put in a wick down here to go higher. I mean, in hindsight, it's looked like a easy short, bro. But was it a battle this morning? Oh my gosh. There it is. Let's see what happens. We need a retest, man. Need a retest, maybe if there's opening range here to even enter for a long. Retest at a 15 minute opening range. But I mean, he doesn't have to give us that. And it might not. Waiting here, dude. Don't matter, I'm waiting. So we got a push and a hold. Like they closed it above the 15 minute. We broke out of the 15 minute range. That's the first thing, right? Second thing, I needed to go down here, maybe visit the EMAs one more time and get rejected for me to enter, because I mean we're taking L's all day. So I'm just gonna look for my A+ setup and trade that. I just couldn't get it this morning because it's been chopping. But I mean, now we could possibly get it for a move up if it if it pulls back a little bit. This thing not going nowhere. This thing not going nowhere, dude. Well, it is going up, but I need to go back down first. I needed to go back down first, dude. Come on. That thing just keep going up. Selling off a little bit. Come on. I need to get down a little lower here, man. Down 35, 40 on this account, but this account took a big hit this morning, dude. So, let's see.
Order filled.
I'm gonna enter for long here. I'm gonna risk the bottom of this range of that 5-minute candle, bottom of that 5-minute candle. Doesn't want to go. ES is hitting some resistance. Get a little pop. Come on. Pop it up a little bit. If it breaks this, I don't want to be in it.
Stop fill.
Okay. So now we just wait for a retest lower. Nvidia selling off. Not good. It swept the low, that candle, right? ES is going. Nvidia. I'm waiting here. ES is just pumping right now. ES is going. You would think Nvidia will follow, right? Let's see. Let's see. We did get a nice little wick rejection here. No, Nvidia's still selling off. Not a good sign to go long.
Order filled.
I'm gonna start along here. Got that wick at the bottom right now. Let's see if they want to push this back up here. Nvidia is pumping. Up at the 300s. Let's see. Break out this 3.7 here. Let's see if we can do that. Take it at 318s here. About 20 points. Come on now. Come on now. Come on. Pop through 306. And then we're going higher, baby. If it can pop through that 306 level. Why would you do that, man? Very bad, very bad. Need the buyers to just have some conviction, dude. Still buying it up. Come on. Break through that and then we're going higher, baby. Come on, break through it. It's going for the highs here. There it is. 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 Come on. Give me 10 more points. To the 18s here. Nice. Pump it. Pump it. There's 10. Still going here. There's 11 points. I still got a little more room here to go, man. We're getting rejected here, but the ES is still pushing. The 5-minute candle, nice little close on a 5-minute. Nice. A little more push here. Give me the full 20 points. Move this to break even now. Now it's a free trade. Come on, pop it a little bit. Pop it up. Take me out.
Target filled.
There we go. Break even on that account. Tough ass day, man. And it's still going. Still going. They're just pumping it still here. Oh, man. It's a rough day today. It's still going, dude. Dang it. At this point, I want to wait here for another test with EMAs here. We can't just get long randomly on the move. Yeah, so the 1 hour is just pushing. This 1 hour bar is just pushing here. 4 hours, 30 minutes to the close of that. But I mean, we look like we got some more upside. We're still pumping, still pumping. Crazy as I could have held that here for a 30-point move. But I mean, you can't. You get what you take. What you can get, right? Gotta take what you can get. It's still pumping there, guys. Getting a little bit of a sell off, a little bit, but Nvidia is still trying to pump. Pull back now. Kind of a little deeper of a pullback here. Pulling back. I mean, this was expected, right? If you want to get long here, you need a pullback like this. So there it is. We selling now. I want to wait for the close of this 2 minute. I don't want to rush into these trades anymore. Um, uh, okay, that's a nice little a little sweep, right, of the bottom candles of these candles here. See that close. It's a nice little close. I don't know. Probably won't take this trade, guys, because I mean I want to wait for a little more of a retest down here to this 25,300 level. I mean, Nvidia is kind of struggling. I mean, I see it kind of, kind of getting that rejection. It got that rejection. It wants to make a higher high. It wants to go again here, but I mean, I just need some more conviction. It's not even conviction. It's like we keep getting choppy day, right? Kind of range day. I needed to reach that 2 minute close. Didn't give me any confidence here. I mean, if it comes down here, I'll have way more confidence. Right, this 2 minute, I don't know. I mean, it's 30 seconds to the close of this five. Just trying to go. There's the 5 minute close. That's a nice 5 minute close, guys. I'm not gonna lie. If we break up here, I will take a long. We did break.
Order filled.
There we go. I'm gonna enter for a long here. Risk this bottom. Let's see how far we can pump here. See that little bear flag breaking here. See that bear flag plays out. I mean, bull flag, right? Bull flag. Nice. 5 points here. Up 5. $360. Need to pop that 360 here. Move my risk up to that candle. No, let's see. To this down here. Needed to pop 360. That bull flag kind of playing out. I mean, there's not much of resistance here, right? So, I mean, $7 points. I mean, we're up 7 points. Let's see, 360 might be in play. We pop. Give us a little pop here. Nvidia pumping. ES trying to pump. See, I'm not liking that little hesitation right there. My mental stop loss right down here. Right? See what happens.
Order
I'm
canceled.
out. It doesn't want to go. If it wanted to go, it would have went already. I'm out of that one. Would have went already. Dang, that sucked. Dang, that sucked. Yeah, now they look like they want to go for that target. My target. Now they want to go for my target. See, the thing is, I took some losing trades this morning. It just is just my confidence took kind of a hit, right? So I have no conviction. See, they popped. About to pop my target, which is a little bit above 25, 360, 360. How far can this really go? You know, I don't know. We always say that, but it just goes further every time. Just popped my target right there, dude. There it is. It's at my target now. Damn, that's rough. So we broke this resistance. There's not really much resistance left until 25,700. So I do see more upside. Just right here just didn't give me any confidence. There's a little bit of resistance right here, right? But we're breaking through it. Broke through it strong, actually. We're pushing now, dude. see if we can get another long signal here. I mean, they're pumping it. It's been slow grinding up all day. Well, not all day. It took like two hours to even get this little move up here. This move up. Getting another retracement. The thing is, when is it gonna be a deep retracement? That's the thing. When is it gonna be a deep retracement? Because it hasn't given us that deep 5-minute retracement to the EMAs yet. And usually we do get that during the trading day, and it is 10:45 right now. How far can this really slow grind up? How far? That's the question. All right. Pulling back. We're getting a little pull back here. Let's see if it respects the EMA. See if it wants to come down to 320-ish. To the yellow EMA on the 2-minute, which is, yeah, 320, which is the 9 EMA on the 5. So it's a little bit deeper of a retest, but we do need. I'm gonna wait for this 2-minute to close, if anything, to even enter. All right, so gotta be patient. Yeah. Coming down lower here. Let's see. Back down to the EMAs here, between the EMAs on the 2-minute. I need to test the 5-minute EMA around here, 320. But if it holds here, might be going for a little more upside. Nvidia kind of pulling back. Okay, we're getting that little retest now. Getting a little reaction at the bottom here. Here's our little reaction at the bottom. Still kind of pulling back. Okay, so volume is coming back in at this level here. That's good. That's good to see. Kind of Nvidia kind of trying to go back up here. We'll wait here for this 25 more seconds for this 2-minute close. If this pulls back below this higher low here, if it breaks this higher low, we could go back all the way down. We could. But we want us to hold here if you're a bull, right? We're getting bought up.
Order filled.
I'm gonna start one. It's right here. We're pumping back here. It's about like a 20-point trade. Come on. Right off that wick, right off that EMA, right? I'm not sure if this is gonna make a higher high, but I mean, I'm gonna take it before it makes that higher high. Right now, getting shorted back down. Not a good sign. But I mean, you can't sell it early, dude. I can't keep selling it early. Gotta let the edge play. Gotta let the edge play.
Order canceled.
I'm exiting there because it just doesn't want to go. It should have went. Should have went. Should have went right there. I'm just not, it just doesn't give that vibe that it wants to go up here, you know? It gives that vibe that it wants to come back down and sweep the lows. That's the vibe it's giving off. The vibe, it says it wants to go lower. Little wick back, little wick up here. Nice little close on a 2 actually.
Order filled.
Let's see him re-enter for a test of these highs. Re-enter for a test of these highs. Come on. You got this. Five points. 4 points kind of in the money now. Do not want to see price to come back down here. I see it holding this EMA right here. Nvidia kind of rolling over. 4 points. I don't want it to break this low here. If it breaks this low, we're going lower. I mean, looks like it just wants to range here all day again, dude. I've got a little bit more of an upside here. And we're at 11.
Order canceled.
I'm gonna exit. I'm gonna exit because it's just struggling, dude. Nah, I think I'm gonna get off here. Just today's price action is not ideal, so that's probably it for me. Market not open tomorrow, so I'll be back on maybe Friday.